We're just cruising right along in this startup. Not surprised, but guys are feeling getting way better with the leaks. No leaks on the system. Another 15 minutes to vacuum. And it's actually a really nice startup, and I know I'm famous for beating the guys down, but when they do something right, man, you got to give them an attaboy. I already checked both the thermostats, wired correctly, and the extra wire isn't just stuffed back. Registers up, nice and straight. And so I gotta say, way to go, guys. I'm talking rough, set and finish. All the guys really, this is a really clean install. And there's one condenser outside, and we have two thermostats. So this is a zone system. Every turn our grill does have a filter in it. Nice and straight. This just looks so clean. This just looks so nice. Drain test already passed. And the reason I can do this is because I got about 15 minutes to kill for my vacuum. But the attic, God, that looks so good. And the first thing I noticed when I popped my head up is I leveled my eye with the very top of that primary drain pan. Your stack pipe coming out of that T is above the top level of the pan, so it can't spill over. All the drains come out of the pan and they go downhill. And let me get my butt up here. This is so nice. I'm so excited about this. Flue vent, nice and straight. Strapped off nice and tight. Everything's sealed up. And the guy was nice enough, he turned the gas valve on for me. Plumber roughed the gas supply way back in, but that's no biggie. Transformer for the zone system, mounted. And he didn't run a whole lot of extra wires. He used the extra 2 wires left over to power up the secondary transformer for the zone board. The zone board is actually wired up properly. The discharge air temperature sensor mounted in the airstream. All the wiring checks out. The zone damper, or the bypass damper, I'm sorry. And this is one of my biggest gripes. Opens up toward the return side of the furnace. The only thing I did is adjusted the counterweights, but that's no big deal. It's 4 seconds. But all the ductwork, everything is tight in here. I was surprised. I get up in this attic, I got not one thing to gripe about. Just a really clean looking install. Man, I wish every job was like this. This is great. So, all the guys out there that bag on me for bagging on them, you guys did good this time. This is really sweet. I had one other thing to make note of that the guy did, and he did properly. When he picked up power for the transformer, you know, hot and neutral, he didn't pick it up right from the junction box, which even if you pull the blower door off, would leave that transformer hot all the time. He pulled power off the board from whence ever. But if this blower door safety switch is let out, it's not powered up. And just in case there may be a problem with thermostat wire, because you do see it occasionally on production. You get a thermostat wire hit by a nail, something be shorted or cut. Just put a fuse on there. If you ever wonder what to do with those extra wires that come with that Turbo 200, because the spades are insulated, alright, that's the reason I saved those little things. Call me a pack rat, but damn it, they come in handy. But overall, yeah, thumbs up on this one. Nice job, guys. Really good job.